The audio company Shokz, they've announced their brand new OpenFit True Wireless earbuds. If you don't know Shokz, they make headphones that utilize open ear technology. And then they've been out for some time now. They are not so popular, but their new OpenFit True Wireless earbud incorporates air conduction technology in a very compact ear design with a very strong battery performance, and is very comfortable in its fit. This is a set that I think a lot of people that are, maybe if you gym a lot or you go out for running a lot, this would work for you. I can't really say for maybe staying at home. I don't use this type of earbuds when I'm at home. I need something that proper earbuds that can just go into your ears or in-ear monitors. More or less in-ear monitors is what I use at home. But if you go out a lot, like you are outdoors for your games, for your running, this is the true wireless type of earbuds that you need, because it has the ear hook style that goes around your ears, and it's very much an outdoor style earbuds. Now let's look at what you get. This set has that. I would say it has that open ear design that the company has already been known for, and it looks very good. The open fit features a light and balanced dolphin arc ear hook. Now this design adapts to the natural ear shapes that provides you with the best wearing comfort. If you're someone that needs comfort, this is gonna give you that in spades. It will just give you that in spades. It really looks wonderful. One other thing you have to look at is the fact that it's very compact. It weighs almost nothing. It just weighs 0.7 millimeter. It weighs only 8.3 grams. That's what it weighs, and it's just very small. The dolphin ear hooks include a built-in 0.7 millimeter ultra fine flexible memory wire that provides a very secure fit, regardless of whatever your ears really look like. So it's really good in that respect. The other thing again is the fact that it has bass. It has very good bass. Company says that it has very strong low frequency. That if you are the kind of person that likes very good bass, this will give it to you. That's what they really worked on to provide you with very good performing bass. For the earphones, that's what you get. Now another thing here is it does have an AI call noise cancellation technology, so that's one thing you get with this as well. So calls are very good on it. The playtime battery is what will interest you. In terms of on a single charge, you get 28 hours. You get 28 hours of music listening. So that's really good. That means it has a very strong battery life. It has a very strong battery life, and frequency response on it is 50 hertz to 16 kilohertz. That's what you get. And then again, you have very solid sensitivity on it as well, 95 decibel sensitivity. The other thing you need to know is the Bluetooth technology it comes with. It has Bluetooth version 5.2. So I do believe a lot of people will be happy with the fact that it comes with almost the latest Bluetooth standard as well. Um, the battery, like I said, is very good, but 28 hours, I said, is for both the case and the earbuds. But on a single charge on the earbuds, it's 7 hours on the 7 hours on the earbuds, and the other for the case. So that's what you get. It's really good overall. It's really good overall. A 5 minutes of charge can provide you with 1 hours of listening time. That's what you get with this set. It really is a very versatile set. They can work for your outdoors, going outdoors and everything. This is what you can enjoy with this set. And also price tag is going for $180. If you're in the UK, it's £180. That's the price tag that is on the company's official platform, their website. You could even buy it from Amazon.uk. If you want to buy it in the UK. I'll drop details for it down in the description below if you want to have a look at what it's able to do. The new Shokz OpenFit earbuds is now available. Check it out. Subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.